Hi. To start with the recipe, first let's prepare all our vegetables. Take your large onion and chop it into medium-sized pieces. Crush 2 garlic cloves. Dice the 2 medium tomatoes. And cut 2 carrots and 2 medium potatoes into bite-sized chunks. A trick I've learned is to keep the pieces roughly the same size, so they cook evenly. Now, grab a large pot and heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and crushed garlic and sauté them until they become soft and translucent. You'll know they're ready when the onions become slightly golden and release that wonderful sweet aroma. This usually takes about 5 minutes. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to add our 500 grams of wars to the pot. Let it brown evenly on all sides, turning it occasionally. This step is crucial for developing those rich, deep flavors that make this stew special. You'll know the wars is properly browned when it has a nice golden brown color all around, which typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add your chopped tomatoes, carrots, and potatoes to the pot. The tomatoes will start breaking down and creating a lovely base for our stew. Make sure to stir everything gently to combine all those beautiful vegetables with the brown wars. Pour in the 2 cups of beef stock and season with salt and pepper to taste. I usually start with about a teaspoon of each and adjust later. The liquid should just barely cover the ingredients. If it doesn't, you can add a little more stock or water. Cover the pot and let everything simmer for 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready when you can easily pierce the potatoes and carrots with a fork. Keep the heat at a gentle simmer. You should see small bubbles breaking the surface, but it shouldn't be boiling vigorously. Time for a taste test. This is where you can adjust the seasoning to your liking. Remember, you can always add more salt and pepper, but you can't take it away. Give it a good stir and taste the broth. It should be rich and flavorful. Finally, your war stew is ready to serve. Ladle it into bowls while it's nice and hot. The broth should be slightly thickened from the potatoes, and all the vegetables should be tender but not mushy. This stew is perfect with some crusty bread on the side to soak up all that delicious broth. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.